How to delete cache files in Windows 10. Now first of all, I'll go to this Windows icon, select run here. Now here you have to type, let's say, temp. So these are all the cache files, unnecessary file. What I'll do is I will select Ctrl A and simply delete them. So this is how you can delete the cache file. Another thing is that you can do is again right click, run, and type here percentage temp percentage. So again these are also the files. Again select Ctrl A and delete them. Another thing that you can do is again go to this run option and type Prefetch. Okay, so these are also the files. Again Ctrl A and simply delete them. Some files won't be able to delete because they are necessary for the window to run. So this is how you can clear cache files on Windows 10.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.